Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do pathfinding. Now you might be thinking, what is pathfinding? Well, what pathfinding does is it pretty much makes an NPC or a character move to a certain place and it tries to find the fastest way there. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do that, then let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is add in an NPC. So I'm just going to go to my toolbox and just grab an NPC. Okay, so I'm just going to name that NPC. By the way, if you have wondered what NPC stands for, it stands for non-playable character. Okay, so now that we have our NPC, let's go building. Okay, so I have made a parkour, so I'm not sure if the computer can actually do this, but it's worth a shot. So if you do this code correctly, but your NPC doesn't know how to do it, or it's just not moving, then that means the computer thinks it cannot do it. Also, if you want to make the NPC jump up, I don't think that's possible. The closest thing you can do is just add a wedge up. You can't just make a block up because it thinks it won't do the jump. But you can do the jump the same size or the same height or just lower. Okay? You just can't do upwards. Okay. So as I made my finished block, I'm just going to name this finish. Okay. Now let's get on to the scripting. So let's add a script. So local, I'm just going to PS for short equals game get service pathfinding service. So now we gotta make our path. Local path equals PS create path. Now right now we don't add anything here. It's just a blank path. So we need to make the path so it knows to go here. So we're going to do path, and there's a function inside a path. It's called compute async, and there's two vector 3 arguments. So the first vector 3 argument is the start. So we just let's add in our NPC, so we'll go NPC equals game.space.npc. Okay, so this is the start. NPC that humanoid root part position. If your character is in R6, I don't think it has humanoid root parts. You can just do primary part instead of humanoid root part, but I'm just doing humanoid root part because I know that an R15 NPC or character has a humanoid root part. Okay. So now our second vector 3 argument is the destination. So let's just do game.workspace.finish.position. Okay. So now we have our path knows where our destination is. And now we got to add in the waypoints. So what the waypoints do is it generates how it can get to the path. Okay, so local waypoints equals path get waypoints. Okay, now we got our waypoints. Now we gotta add a for loop. So right now I'm just going to show you that what the waypoints look like. So for I, V, and pairs waypoints do. Okay, you don't have to do get children or get descendants or anything because it's already a table. Okay, so now we gotta do, let's make it so you can see what the waypoints look like. I'm now going to make it move to the destination. So local part equals instance dot new part game.workspace. Okay, so now part.anchored equals true. Part.canCollide equals false. Part.size equals vector3.new 111. Part.position equals v.position. Shape equals ball. Part.material equals neon. And part.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new. Actually, I'm just going to do white. And yeah, now we have that. We have 7 lines of code, I believe. Yeah, okay. So now if we just test this, as you can see, it doesn't do anything because the computer thinks it won't be able to do the jump. So you don't want it to be too hard for the NPC, which I made. So if I just do this, okay, if we just run that, now we got it. So now we have our waypoints. Some are inside here. They're not the most accurate, but I don't know. So pretty much this is where the waypoint positions are. So every waypoint has a distance of 2 studs apart. So so the computer will generate the waypoint and it'll give the fastest route that it can find. So this is the fastest route it can find. Okay, now we want to make it actually move. So you can just do NPC move to v.position. Yeah, okay. So no, NPC dot move to finish. Wait, okay. So I accidentally made a mistake. It's actually humanoid. So that humanoid dot move to finish, connect function. Actually no, never mind. Wait, I'm just going to. I think what this does is if it doesn't wait, then like if it fails, it will try again in this many seconds. I'm not sure. I just know that most people do this. It doesn't delay the time. It doesn't go like 2 seconds after you finish this, then it will go again. It doesn't do that. So as you can see, now it has, yeah, okay. So here's the problem. We want the NPC to jump, but it cannot because there's a jump. It doesn't have a jump. We haven't made it so the NPC can jump. Okay, so this is an easy fix. So if v.action equals enum dot path waypoint action dot jump, then now we gotta do npc.humanoid change state nm.humanoid state type dot jumping. Okay, so now if we do this, okay, then it will jump. That's the cool part about it. It can jump. What the frick? Okay, I don't know how that can work. I guess this lets this NPC double jump or something like that. I think it's because each state is jumping and it did not finish jumping, so it just continuously jump. That was slightly unexpected. I was not expecting that at all. But our main goal for today's tutorial was to make it so the NPC can get from here, from this dot, to this destination, and we have achieved that goal. Okay, so now we have that finished. You can delete the waypoints, like you can delete that part in the script. You didn't have to do that. But anyways, I hope you learned something today. I hope you think this is important to know. And if you want more Roblox tutorials on how some concepts work, then you can go ahead and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. See you in the next one. See you later.